Good evening. I'm Bertram Lawson, President CEO for YMCA of Greater Brandywine. I'm here at Westchester University, a local neighbor of ours. Today, I'm going to be spending some time with some students and some faculty, learning a little bit more about nutritious cooking. I'm not someone that cooks on a regular basis, so I'm very excited about learning from some students.
My real name is Alessandra Sarcona, but I go by Sandy. So I'm a professor in nutrition here. We heard that you want to eat more healthily.
Yes.
So we made up a breakfast, lunch, and dinner for you, and this is what we're making today. So we're going to start with breakfast.
Excellent.
A quick oatmeal. We tried to break it down into 3 meals that were nutritious, and we also looked at budget. Do you ever eat oatmeal?
I love oatmeal.
Which one do you buy?
I don't really buy it at home.
Oh, you get it out.
So I get it out.
Oatmeal could be $1 if you make it at home, but if you get it out at a restaurant, it's probably going to be $8 or something. So Bertram, when I'm waiting for my oatmeal, I stretch.
Duly noted. Never thought about doing that.
Oatmeal is very nutritious for you because it helps bind to your cholesterol and it helps to use your glucose better, and that allows you to feel the feeling of satiety or feeling full faster, so you tend not to overeat your food. How does it taste?
It's good.
You can get a rotisserie chicken and then you can have it for dinner and then use the leftovers for lunch.
So I like stir fries because you can kind of just throw everything together. So it's like one of the easiest meals to make.
I don't think I ever did this.
Ooh.
I'm good.
Usually I just cut along because I try to avoid the seeds because they're so messy. Olive oil is great in omega-3s, omega-6, good for your heart health.
My mother taught me more so how to clean because I didn't gravitate towards the cooking. I was like, I don't really want to do that.
Yeah.
See, now people going to tell me that I'm going to need to cook for them. And I'm like, that video was made up. It wasn't me.
It wasn't you?
That's what I'm going to say. It wasn't me.
What would you say is the most difficult part of being a CEO?
You have a vision and you want the vision to come to fruition. But the most difficult part of that is you can't completely control it. You got to work through a diverse group of people to make it happen. Help coach them, give them resources so they understand how to get the vision to fruition. That's the most difficult thing about being the CEO.
Have you ever had brown rice?
Absolutely.
Okay, so brown gives you the extra fiber and more nutrients. Right, let's taste what you made. What do you think, Chef?
Not bad. Could add a little more seasoning because I seasoned it a different way.
Now we're going to be efficient and beat hard chicken from the night before and make chicken salad. A lot of people just make chicken salad with just mayonnaise. And so we're going to do what we call volumize it.
Yeah, I wouldn't like that. I like mayonnaise, but you got to add something into it. It can't just be mayonnaise.
We take some of the skin off. What's in the skin that's not so good?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure? That's where all the fat is.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so the skin is probably best to be removed because you'll get a lot of extra fat like that.
I didn't know that.
So now you're going to make your lunch for the next day. And do you like grapes?
Yeah.
I like to say it stretches it or volumizes it. More volume for less calories. And then I bought the olive oil mayonnaise dressing because it's not as much saturated fat. You can have this over a salad, or you could make a little lettuce wrap. One roll has 3 grams of dietary fiber. Do you ever look at the label?
Yeah. It's something my sister told me to do when I was recovering from cancer surgery, to pay attention to the labels.
Want to have it on the bread, or you just want to have it by itself?
I'll try it on bread. Really good. The grapes and the celery, it's not like Panera bread, but
one of the things we like to do in our nutrition department is give our students real experiences working with people and working with food. The Y has been so great with accommodating our students because you have so many different populations. So we've worked with kids doing nutrition education.
Westchester University's health science majors have had the opportunity to provide us with their knowledge and help us to develop curriculums focused on nutrition for the youth.
The most important thing about nutrition is nourishing your body. So it was so wonderful to volunteer today to help out.